interesting vegetarian food has now brought me to Bandra, and this is Carter Road. The sea is right behind me, and this lane is sort of called Cow Gully. Well, you know, once upon a time there were only a couple of restaurants and eateries over here. Now this place has become a big hub. Young, old, everybody comes here to get all kind of interesting food. And if you don't have the money, you can just sit on the beach and enjoy the view. But I've come looking for a place specifically. It's called Lassi Te Parothe. Come along, let's find out about it. I know what you're thinking. You think I'm going to get inked. Why am I walking into a tattoo parlor? Well, Lassi Te Parothe. It's inside a tattoo parlor. Come along with me. Hey, Nikhil, how are you? You have to meet this fellow. Very interesting man. His name is Nikhil Thakur, and he runs this...
Lassi Te Parothe.
What do I call this? This is the back, the back of a shop.
Yes, it's an underground scene, yeah.
Underground scene. The kitchen is here?
Yeah.
Come, let's go inside. So here he is. He's settled down on his kitchen platform. I'm going to do exactly that. Nikhil, first of all, I've heard so much about this place. Everybody's talking about Lassi Te Parothe. So tell me, it's obviously just lassi and parotha?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Two things.
Two things. Keep it real. You know, make good stuff. Keep it less.
But how did you manage? How did you think of this idea and all that?
One friend from the Himachal, we met at the Anna Hazare meet. His roommate used to make awesome parathas. I was jobless, he was jobless. He was like, let's make parathas, man.
Is that simple, huh? Is it that simple?
It is, yeah. You tell me where you find...
I meet, you meet, and let's make parathas. What else do you want?
Yeah.
Before you started this place, and before you were jobless, what were you up to?
I'm a derivative trader, yeah. I trade in the Nifty, Nifty Sensex.
Oh, one of those things that I don't understand.
Yeah, and you know, the markets are like really bad right now.
You're a money man.
Yeah.
Money man, as in money man.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean that we all have money. We have money. But listen, I've heard that this sort of underground paratha place of yours has more than just paratha and lassi. Good times happen here.
Yeah. We jam every Sunday. There are at least 10 instruments, 10, 12 musicians, and we just have a good time outside here.
So there's lassi, there's paratha, and there's music. But before we get to the music, thoda paratha ho jaye.
For sure.
Banao yaar kuch hamare liye.
Tell me what you love, yeah.
Let's go with the basics, okay? I love an aloo paratha.
For sure.
Methi paratha.
Yeah.
And then whatever you think.
Good. Okay. One garlic should be there.
Garlic should be there? Okay, so 3. And then lassi also. Huh?
For sure.
Huh?
Yeah.
So, let's make some parathas and drink some lassi.
So that's the cheese cone and capsicum, yeah? Methi, your favorite one will come. And the garlic. And now while these cook, I'll just pour you a glass of some lassis, yeah? Your 4 parathas, we can start anytime you're ready.
Where are you going?
I'm getting the stool for you.
Okay. Okay, so here are my parathas. Now, they aren't labeled, so I'm going to taste them. Lovely. This garlic is to die for. And the butter. Hot. And I'm looking at the methi paratha. What you've done is that the methi ka sabzi that is inside, that's what. It's looking like chunky and not, made into one paste.
Yeah.
I'm going to try it with it then.
It's again the amchur taking the bitterness down.
And so this is where, once the sun goes down,
then we roll.
Where the party starts.
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, so sun goes down and the party starts. It's a peculiar combination. Parathas and guitars, lassi and hip-hop. Lassi Te Parothe takes street food to another level. Nikhil Thakur's kiosk has taken Bandra by storm.
Okay, like ole.
live jamming session every Sunday is sure to grab eyeballs of each and everyone that passes by. My quest to discovering interesting vegetarian food was definitely a success. I tasted delicious food, met some interesting people, and even had a party on the street. Well, like I said, life is full of surprises, and this is definitely not the end. Well, the one thing I've learned at the end of this is that if you want to discover a city, the best way to discover it is on the streets and the food available on the streets. I'll see you next time, but remember, we're also on Facebook, and if you want to write to us at weekend@timesnow.tv. Till the next time, it's bye.